Hi everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to present this MATLAB app which is about speed gauge converter. But before we start, I would like to say that you can download this app by following the links provided below in the description. So as we can see here, this is the app. It is so simple. It can give you a good introductions to MATLAB AppDesigner. You can see here lots of layouts. You can see that there are different values here. By changing this value, we assume that the same value should be displayed below, and the same things for the other gauge. So let's start this app. You can see that we can even change the size without affecting the layouts. We can see that we can also put icons, the titles. So let's make some changes or some adjustments to the speed from kilometers per hour, and let's see the value on the right side, which is in mile per hour. We can see that we can change the speed, we can decrease it, we can even enter the value directly with high precision. For example, 200 kilometers per hour. We can see the value here by the pointer from the gauge and also from the digits below. We can also start from the mile per hour, and let's see the speed in kilometers per hour. We can increase it, we can decrease it, and we can also change it from here. For example, 130. That's it. If you want that app, you can download it below. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe to see more apps.